All right, we got our air fryer in today. Here's the power button. It shows all the stuff that it can cook. Now I'm gonna open this up. It's pretty easy to open. It's pretty big in size. So it doesn't turn on until you actually shut the door. There's the on button, so let's turn it on. Press the mode here to change the top of the cooking time. And then if I pick that and I want to cook something, turns on. A little, tiny little light. Okay, and then it comes with these extra accessories over here, which is pretty neat. Its own little tongs, little skewers, and the pan. And it's nice and quiet. It's not loud at all. And you can always pause it, open it up. Easy to operate, no weird smells or anything like that. Then good to go.
Wow, he pays that girl $80,000 a year?
You don't show the drumstick at all, and then I think it's kind of is bugged out. It's like that, and then the fish is showing. Besides that, it's a great air fryer.